Guys.
No. Right,
Hey, right. Yeah, okay, guys. Now I call if our friends were here, but we get to do it with Ryan, okay? And this versus not. So we're gonna be throwing stuff at Cooper. This we're fine.
No, that's way too big for Ryan.
Whoops.
Oh, that lands on Cooper's butt sometime. How you doing, Cooper?
Oh, sorry.
You should live down there.
Oh, I need it. I'm about to pick it all up.
I dare you.
No. Ryan, do not. No.
Where's Rex?
He's down there.
Do
Oh,
it.
he's trying
Do
to get rid
it.
of
Do it.
No.
Don't put basket.
Dude, don't do that. I could have.
Ow.
I'm down here with you, buddy.
Okay, Dad. I have prisoners, Dad.
Prisoners.
Okay. Okay, next, I'm gonna invite some of my friends over. So, I'm gonna get with her cousin, and I get all my friends, and I get in a party, and you're gonna stay down there, and we're gonna be partying, and we're gonna go on you.
No. 3 of us are down here.
So, but there's gonna be like, on all my kids from my class, but there's 12 kids, well, no, and there's not just my class, Ian and Nathan are coming, Brett and Blaze coming. Wait a minute, thanks for reminding me to fold
Oh no.
more stuff. Okay, but final thing, I'm gonna fold a chair.
A chair. No. I can throw it again. If you do.
Wait a minute, I have another chair.
No.
Mm.
Don't throw it.
But like guys, this is gonna be funny. What noobs? Okay, I put too much.
Don't put us down.
I don't jump on these guys.
Bring it down.
There we go.
Have to protect Rick.
Okay. Try to get out. Who's gonna get out first? Because I'm okay.
Okay. Okay. Oh my God.
I can't get up.
I did it.
Do that. Okay, do that again to us. Do that again to us. Get all the chairs and do that to us.
Okay.
Get everything.
Hey guys, now I'm showing the video. Subscribe and bye. We'll be doing another video.
Okay.
Bye.